the instructions here are to find the area of the shaded region. In this case, the entire shape is shaded. So we want to know the area of that entire square or rectangle. So here's what you need to do. When you get a problem like this, you need to evaluate what each side is. In other words, you need to know what the length of that whole entire side is, and you need to know what the length of this whole entire side is. Now, the area of a rectangle or a square is length times width, right? So you need to figure out what is the length and what is the width, and then multiply them. Okay? Now let's look. This section right here is x, isn't it? Okay, so this section right here is x. And then this section from here to here is 4. So what would the length of the entire side be?
4x.
Not 4x. You wouldn't multiply. Look, yes, x plus 4 or 4 plus x, right? If you take this section right here and you add it to this section right here, that would be the whole length, right? Multiplying it wouldn't give you the length. Now, if you look along the bottom, this is also x, and this is also 4, so the length of this whole thing will be to add this x plus this 4, right? So it's also x plus 4. Now, if we want the area of the shaded region, we got to take the length and multiply it by the width, don't we? So my area is going to be x plus 4 times x plus 4, right? And so I've got x times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. 4 times x is also 4x. And 4 times 4 is 16. So now let's combine like terms. You're not done until you've got it as simple as possible. And so my area equals x squared. 4x and 4x is not 8x squared. What is it?
8x.
Just 8x. And then plus 16. And so this right here represents the area of the what? Say shaded region.
Shaded region.
On our second example, they only tell us what the top is, don't they? But then they put this little line. And this little line is saying that every other side that has this little line has the same length. So what they're saying is, well, this side's also 7n minus 5. And this side's also 7n minus 5. Look, let me draw this for you real quick. Let's draw a rectangle. Everybody draw a rectangle on your paper. Okay, and let's call the top x and the side x plus 10. Now, can you clearly see that this side right here is the same length as this side right here? And so what I can do there is I can put a single dash here and a single dash there, representing that those two sides are what? Equal. Now at the top, I couldn't put a single dash, could I? So at the top, I'd put a double dash like that. And what other side can I put a double dash indicating they're the same?
On the bottom.
On the bottom, right here, another double dash. So these little lines right here, it's saying all the sides that have a single line are equal. So this side is equal to this side, right? And then this side with the double dash is equal to the side with the bottom that's the double dash, right? So I just drew this for you to illustrate that. Now, let's find the area of the shaded region in this shape right here. We know in this shape that all the sides are the same. This side is also 7n minus 5, and this side's also 7n minus 5, and this side is also 7n minus 5, right? Now they want the area of the shaded region, so that's going to be length, 7n minus 5, times the width, 7n minus 5, like that. Right?
Yep.
And so now I've got a binomial being multiplied by a binomial, and I need to what? Some people say FOIL, some people say distribute. It means the same thing, right? Okay, so let's FOIL this. 7n times 7n is 49n squared. 7n times negative 5 is negative 35n. Negative 5 times 7n is also negative 35n. And -5 times -5 is positive 25. Now I need to combine like terms, don't I?
Yep.
So let's combine some like terms. So I've got area equals 49n squared. These two can be what? Say combined plus 25. And so that's the area of the shaded region of the original shape that we had right here.